So if you're struggling to grow your YouTube channel, then this video is definitely for you because I'm going to be sharing reasons why you're not getting as much views as you deserve. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So number one on my list is no SEO. You don't have an SEO on your channel. When we talk about SEO, we talk about keywords. And I'm going to be showing you how you can get the best keywords for your YouTube channel. All you have to do is to come over to your browser and you're going to type in View Stats extension. So here you're going to see the Chrome web store. You're going to go ahead and click on this. So once it opens, I'm going to go ahead and click on Add to Chrome, and then I'm going to click on Add Extension to add it to my Chrome browser. Now, this particular platform, this particular tool, it's owned by MrBeast. MrBeast is the biggest YouTuber in the whole world. And he created this tool for us to use to, grow our channel just like him. So it's very, very useful. I'm going to be showing you the use cases, how you're going to use this to perfect your SEO, grow your channel, and of course, make a whole lot of money from the comfort of your home. So now that we have this installed, we're going to go ahead and install vidIQ. So we're going to go ahead and put in vidIQ Chrome extension. So you can see it here, vidIQ Vision for YouTube Chrome Web Store. So you're going to click on it and we're going to add it to our Chrome browser just the same way we added the View Stats, right? And then the next thing you want to do is you want to add another Chrome extension, which is Social Blade. All right, so now you're going to click on Chrome Web Store again, and we're going to open the Social Blade. And as you can see, I've added it to my Chrome. And all you have to do is to just click on Add to Chrome, and they're going to add it the same way we added the View Stats, right? So now we have these three extensions. They are powerful tools, and I'm going to be showing you how to use them one after the other. So now that we have this installed, we're going to go ahead and visit youtube.com. So our goal here is to get the right keywords for our channel and our YouTube videos as well. So now that we are here, the next thing we're going to do is to come over to our search, and you're going to put in the keyword or whatever topic that you want to cover, whatever topic that your channel is about. If it's crime videos, if it's football commentary, if it's African folktale, and then you can start searching for keywords. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using African folktale. So once it opens, the next thing you're going to do is to open any of the videos. But to be very precise, what you're going to do is to come over to filters, and under sort by, you're going to click on view count. And that's not all. The next thing you're going to do is to come back to filters again, and you're going to come to upload date, and you're going to select this month. So you're going to see the videos with the highest views this month. So you can see this channel is 482,000 views in just less than 5 days. So that means there's something good about this channel. And this one right here is 236,000 views in 13 days. And that is amazing. So what you're going to do right now is that you're going to go ahead and open this video. And once it opens, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come right here. So these are the tags that are in the video. And what we're going to do here is to go ahead and copy this, okay? We're going to copy these tags because that is what we're going to be using for our own video, right? So now that I've copied this, the next thing I'm going to do is to come over to my document, docs.google.com, click on blank document, and I'm going to go ahead and paste this here. So these are the keywords you're going to be using on your video when you're uploading your video. And again, let's come back to the channel because the channel is very healthy. So we're going to be getting a lot of information from the channel. Click on videos, and the next thing you're going to do is to click on popular. All right, so here is another one on the channel that's gotten 1.3 million views, and this one is 1 million views in the last 5 months. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on this one because this one is still very much recent. This one is 9 months ago. We don't want that, right? We want to use the one that is mostly recent. So I wouldn't want you to go above 5 months, okay? Do anything below 5 months, but don't do beyond 5 months. So we're going to go ahead and click on this video. And once it opens, we're going to scroll down to the tags. So these are the tags on the video. So we're going to go ahead and copy the tags and we're going to paste it like so. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to compare the two tags that we have copied and know if it's the same thing and if there's something that we can move from this one and add to this one and so on like that, right? So now that we have this, you're going to put this in your channel tags and you're going to use these same tags on all your videos. This way, YouTube is going to be suggesting your videos alongside the videos from this channel. Now, what this means is that Once a video on the channel goes viral and maybe 1 million people get to watch the video, you also stand a chance of getting some of those traffic to your own video because your video will be suggested alongside the videos. Now, let me show you what I mean by that. So if you come back here, come back to this video and then you scroll down, most of the videos here are getting views. You can see that this one is 5 months ago. It has gotten 558,000 views. So this simply means that your videos will be recommended alongside this video. Now, this strategy works for all niches. It doesn't matter your niche. It doesn't matter your content type. You are going to use the same method to get the best tags, the best keyword for your channel. And you're not just going to be putting these tags in your videos and your channel, you're also going to be inculcating it in your description. So make sure that you write a description using these tags here. So you can just go ahead and generate a description with ChatGPT, or you can simply copy these tags and come to ChatGPT. So here you can see, very simple, generate a YouTube description for this video title, how the man escaped. Just a sample, right? Mention some of these keywords as part of the video description. So you're going to paste in the keywords, but I'm just being lazy. Originally, I'm supposed to remove all these hashtags to make it easy for ChatGPT. So what we're going to do next is to click on send and have ChatGPT come up with the best description for our video. So now you can see that ChatGPT has come up with a description for our video, but there's a slight issue here. It used a hashtag. Now, you can't use more than 3 hashtags on YouTube or you stand a chance of being banned or deleted as a spam. So you can only use 3 hashtags on your YouTube channel. So to fix this, what we're going to do is to tell ChatGPT to remove the hashtag.
A few moments later.
So now you can see that ChatGPT has rewritten the description with the keyword without the hashtag. And now all we need to do is to go ahead and copy this and put it in the description of our video and we're good to go. Now I have to tell you this, even if you do the SEO, put your keywords, there are chances that you won't still get as many views as possible because there are other things missing on your channel, because the fact that you're seeing doesn't mean that people are going to click on your video. Now, one of the things that is going to make people not click on your video is content idea. Content idea, that is number 2. If you have bad content idea, people are not going to most likely click on your video because that is not the kind of content that they want to see, because generally YouTube is not about you, it's about you. That is the viewer. YouTube is about the viewers. So you want to give the viewers exactly what they want to see. So the viewers call the shots. I know it's your channel, but if you do the things that you want to see, if you do the videos, oh, I have this video idea, let me go ahead and create it. If you do those kind of videos, you might likely be the only one, maybe your friends and family will be the only ones watching your content. So you want to make sure that you create content that every other person, that people in your niche want to see. And how do you do that? All you have to do is to come over to YouTube using the same tools that we installed. All you have to do is to come over to youtube.com. All right, so now that we are here, the next thing you're going to do is to type in your channel, your niche, or whatever topic that you think you want to cover, or a keyword in your niche. So let's say I want to talk about Canva, or I talk about Canva mostly on my channel. All you have to do is to come right here and you're going to see videos that are doing well in the last 1 month, last 1 year. And what you're going to do to get this, you can see the search volume is 91, but the competition is very high. So you're most likely going to be getting views, but you need to stand out because the competition is so high. And now what you're going to do, you can't just, come and start making content around Canva just like that without knowing what the viewers want to see. So to understand what the viewers want to see, all you have to do is to come over to filters and you're going to click on view count. And then you're going to come back to filters again and you're going to click on this year. So once it opens, you can see that this video got 3.2 million views in just 10 months. And how you should know that the video is still trending, people are still interested in the video, is the view per hour. And this video is getting over 100% more views than the videos on the channel. This one got 1.5 million views 9 months ago and is currently getting 236 views per hour. So this gives you an idea on what to talk about, on what to create. So if you make a video with this topic, you stand a higher chance of going viral. Maybe not 1 million views, maybe not 500,000 views, but if you were getting 100 views before, you start getting like 5,000, you get like 10,000, you get like 20,000, and then you can start growing from there. And the secret to this is don't just make one video for this. Make different variation of the same topic. Yes, if you're going to be creating the video on how to create multiple shots in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes, please do well to create it in multiple variations, at least nothing less than 5 videos in the same topic. This way, YouTube is going to see you as a professional in that topic. So they are going to keep recommending you. And number 2 is the fact that people that watch the first one will find the second one useful, will find the third one useful. And by the time they get to the third video and they are not subscribed to your channel, that will make them subscribe to the channel because they are seeing more content with value, something that they are interested in. So they will end up subscribing to your channel. So whatever topic that you see that is doing very well, that people are interested in, don't just make one video of it, make series of videos so that people will binge watch on those videos and end up subscribing to your channel. And the longer people consume your content, the more YouTube will recommend your videos, and the more views you get, the more subscribers you get, and that's how you keep growing and keep growing super fast against other channels in your niche. And the next one is low quality content. Now, make sure that you create as high quality as possible, as high quality as available. If you're running a personality channel like this, make sure that you have the best audio possible. Make sure you have the best audio possible. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to spend a whole lot of money buying the best audio gear and all of that. You can even use your mobile phone to record your audio as long as it's noiseless. And that is where CapCut comes in. After recording your video, after editing, depending on the app that you're using to edit your videos, if you're using CapCut, then fine. If you're using Premiere Pro or Final Cut, any software that you're using to edit your video, all you have to do is to take your video to CapCut. I'm going to show you what to do. So go ahead and fire up your CapCut like so, and then you're going to go ahead and import the video that you want to remove the sound, okay? And then you're going to drag it to your timeline, right? Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on the video, and then you're going to come right here under audio. You click on audio, and then you're going to see reduce noise, okay? You click on reduce noise, and instantly the noise will be crisp. Clear. This is incredible. You don't need to do anything fancy. All you have to do is just click this button and it takes out all the noise. No matter how bad the noise is, it's going to take it out, or at least take it out to the barest minimum that is going to be usable. And if you want to learn more ways to grow your YouTube channel, this is the video that I recommend that you watch next to learn how to create your YouTube channel and how to set it up, how to add the tags, the keywords, and everything that you need to grow your YouTube channel. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.